Today I'm gonna to show you how to go from the Sales Nav URL to a classic URL. So it's quite easy. You just have to understand the difference between the both URL. Both of them redirect to the same page, but one is for Sales Nav, other one is for classic account. And in order to get, for instance, phone finder feature into Derrick, you need this kind of URL and not this kind. So if I take this URL and I put it here, okay, and I press enter, as you can see, it will redirect to the normal URL, but it's not automatic. So we need this kind of URLs into Derrick for the phone finder. And I will show you how to go from this to this. So first of all, you have to open Derrick for sure. So wait, just open it, okay. And when it's open, you just have to go to Enrich LinkedIn profile. So let's try to find Enrich LinkedIn profile here. Okay, so I don't have my Aliad connected, so I will pause it. Wait. So okay, I put my Aliad. So Enrich LinkedIn profile, and the only thing you have to do is to give this URL, because you don't have this one for now. If you are either, it's because you have only this one, and you will just select the column with your Sales Nav URL. So for me, it's the only one I have, and then enrich. So I will just preview for 5 lines, but it's the same if you click here. And as you can see, Derrick will open everything. And what Derrick will do is he will do exactly the same. He will open the navigator and check for the URL. And here you will find the Rashida.url. Okay, for this one and for everyone. So if you have this kind of URL and you need this one, the only thing you have to do is this, enrich profile, and you will get this one. It's quite easy and you don't have to do anything else. I hope it will help you, and see you soon.